Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and in today's video, a little bit different video here. I'm going to be unboxing a pair of Allen Edmonds shoes, and these are kind of in their sneaker line of shoes, so not dress shoes or the typical things that you might think about when you think about Allen Edmonds, but these are some sneakers, right? So this is kind of maybe in the more life playlist of my channel. Not necessarily tech related, but since I work in tech and I go to places and I often have to kind of dress appropriately, I'm always looking for something that's more modern and I could pair with a pair of jeans, maybe a sport coat, that sort of thing. And this is something that I think will work well in that situation. So actually, what this is, Allen Edmonds, AllenEdmonds.com. I do have some more of their dress shoes and some boots and things like that I've had for years that I really like. But these are the Alpha high tops in black. So it's kind of like a black and white sort of scenario, size 13D. Now, the only thing, and I kind of hesitated to do this video, is that I'm not sure if they're discontinuing these or not. They do have an Alpha Low, which seems like those are, currently being made and, available because they're normal price. Now these were on sale for $99, down from $295. They're $300 shoes in the past, and now they're like $100, $95. So I don't know if they're discontinuing them or they're discontinuing this specific version of them because there are, some different materials and that sort of thing. So your mileage may vary depending on when you watch this video, if they're still available or not. But as of right now, so this is like August 1st, you can get these for $95 on AllenEdmonds.com. So if you're interested in this type of shoe, definitely go do it right away and order a pair if you're gonna want them. Now, I do have to apologize. I don't know how this thing got smashed up. It was in a larger box, but there was no padding in the box, so I kind of blame FedEx for throwing it around. But this is how it comes packed. So basically, shoes, as you may expect in a box. But I really do like the look of these. So this is kind of your standard Chucks kind of look, This is not an abnormal look for shoes out there. So they have a white sole, nice leather uppers. There's a little bit of a Allen Edmonds kind of logo thing there. Some, nice detail here around the back. Now, most of Allen Edmonds shoes are made in the U.S., in Port Washington, but there are a subset of their shoes that are made in Vietnam. So these are made in Vietnam. I have a couple other pairs that were made in Vietnam for some different dress shoes that are, that are really good quality. So definitely, nothing to say bad about, the fact that they're made in Vietnam. So this is the right shoe. There's the left shoe. Now I will go ahead and take out all the packing. So in the high top version, currently available on the website, there is a black version and there's a white version. So, and as of right now, I'll show you here, Alpha high top sneaker. Obviously this is the one that I have, but then in white, basically looks like that. So basically all white with some tan, and then basically on the top of where the sole, or the top of where the white bottom of the piece is, there's a kind of like a leather, like a brown leather, instead of on here, it's a black leather, you can see. And right now, if you look at these, for the white, all the sizes are available in a D width, and then in the black, everything is available except for size 14. So, these are on sale. Like I said, I think I said $95 before, but it's $99.97. Yeah, so this is like, according to, if you look at the specs on the site, lace-up high-top sneaker, they say this is kind of an everyday thing, right? You can wear this with jeans, you can wear this with jeans and a sport coat. And they're very sharp looking shoes, right? So you can definitely dress up or dress down based on, wearing these shoes. So as for the construction, they say this is a molded rubber sport sole. There's padded cushioning at the ankle. It's lined with soft milled leather. So if you take a look on the inside, it is lined with soft milled leather. And they have their fly foam insert, or their fly foam insoles. Supposed to be, comfortable, all of that sort of thing. Now this is a cemented construction, so it's not like some of the other shoes you might get from Allen Edmonds that are, stitched or all of that. So these are glued together, cemented. At least, the bottoms, right? So the bottoms are cemented. And, they are imported from Vietnam, like I said. They do feature premium leather uppers, and, just looking at the leather, they do look really nice. That's for sure. I will go ahead and try to show you a little bit more what the inside of this looks like. And they do have some nice shoelaces. These laces are very nice feeling. Okay, so if we look at this, kind of standard for this type of shoe, the toe. There's an Allen Edmonds logo here on the top. And it says Port Washington, 1922. And then there's basically, so there is a softer leather on the inside. And then this kind of microfiber feeling lining there. And I don't want to pull the insoles out because I think that they're glued down. So I don't want to pull those out. But basically, pretty lightweight, nice looking. And it'll be interesting to see how these age after wearing them a bit, if they'll get creases or not. But, there's some smoother leather here, a little bit more grain there, so some contrasting from that perspective. Some perforations for breathing on both sides. Yeah, and overall, again, very attractive shoes. So, this is definitely... if I'm, like I said, I'm planning to wear these with some jeans, a sport coat, nice shirt for work when I go to the office or, go for meetings and things like that. And I think for that scenario, they'll work really well. Anyways, just wanted to do just this quick unboxing, quick overview, a little bit of showcase of what these look like in case you're interested. Like I said, I don't know how long these are going to be on sale. I don't know if they're discontinued in the high top version or not, and that's why they're on sale. And if you do like a low top sneaker, they do still have quite a few of the alpha lace up sneakers in a low top version, and they have quite a different few colors. And there's a black, but in here the black is more accented with the tan or the lighter brown. So that as this one is more just all black. But these are not on sale, so these and there's quite a few colors and all of that, and you can get them in different widths. So if you're not really looking for a high top and you still want kind of like a dressy look sneaker, definitely take a look at Allen Edmonds. Like I said, they have quite a few things that kind of broach into this more casual, modern, dress up, dress down scenario where you could wear them as sneakers, or you can dress them up with other outfits. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll link to this in the description of the video. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.